Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water temperature switch in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the control panel assembly. Detach the panel assembly. Pull off the water temperature switch knob. Depress the tab to release the wire connector from the switch. Now lift the arm and rotate the old switch to remove. Install the new water temperature switch by positioning it in the control panel, then rotate until the switch is fully seated. Connect the wire connector. Align the knob on the switch stem. Reinstall the control panel assembly. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.